Wooden door smart lock installation video. There are the following in the box: mortise, batteries, IC card and key, instructions, accessory package, back panel, front panel. 1. Install the lock body. Adjust the position of the lock tongue according to the direction of opening the door. Install the lock body and fix it with screws. Two preparations before assembling the front panel. Choose the length that suits your door thickness. Insert the square steel into the hole of the front plate and aim at the corresponding hole. Fix the square steel with a pin. Then use the vise to bend the pin to achieve the fixing effect. Turn the triangle mark up. Assemble the round tubes separately on the thread of the front plate so that they can be fixed with the rear plate. The flat part faces out. Three. Install the lock. Place the front plate according to the corresponding hole position, and the connection line passes through the hole position. Bury the thread into the hole, arm the square steel buckle and install the rear plate. 2 screws for fixing the rear plate. Fix it with a screwdriver. 4. Install 4 alkaline dry batteries. Cover the battery cover. Installation completed.